The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Yeah! Get out of here! Yo, you can't go through in a number 2 cell somewhere.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, the piece of video that I just presented to you, that video shows a person who had been arrested by members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force within the country of Jamaica after somewhat of a hostile confrontation and physical altercation between the person who had been arrested by the police and persons on an airplane. Now, viewers and subscribers, I have another video that I'm going to present to you so that you can have somewhat of a better understanding as to what had happened on the plane, you see me? And I do not have any confirmed information as to which airport this had happened, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when this had happened, alright? But however, I'm going to present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
I bet you can't talk to me. I bet. I bet.
I just did.
Do it again.
You lost.
Do it again.
Do it again. You lost.
Fuck you.
You lost. Bye. You want to bet again?
Hey, don't get yourself in any trouble.
I'm not going to get in trouble.
You lost the first bet. You want to lose the second one? You want to lose the second one?
You understand?
Ah, you lost the second one too. You want to bet again?
You.
Want to bet again?
What people think? Okay.
Run with me.
Everybody off the plane that does not wish to take this flight today. We are waiting on the cops.
Thank you.
The call.
I wish.
Nigga, please.
There's children on this flight. You need to stop.
What?
There's children on this flight.
You say nigga all I want. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Clearly, I just did.
Loser.
I know Star, more people.
Clearly, you have no fucking authority. Especially all motherfuckers attacking me. You did shit. You ask this motherfucker if he's okay. Fuck you and your job, bitch. Whitey? You would, huh?
Yes, I would.
You wouldn't be able to reach, fat ass.
Fat ass.
She just fucking threatened violence. That's a felony. Assault. Felony. Threat and assault. 2 felonies. Bye. 2 felonies. Bye. Who's next, motherfucker?
No, I'm not going to stop. He's an asshole, and we all stand.
Who's next? You're done. You lost your bet. Who's next? You lost.
Now we do.
Threaten me.
Fuck your mother. Fucking redneck.
Maybe in America.
I know.
Here you
Here
go.
she goes. You lost. She lost. Welcome to America, bitch.
The cops are coming.
You're not gonna see. You're going to jail, bitch. Bye.
I'm going to take
What do you want? You want somebody to hit you or somebody to go to jail?
send authority.
You're not getting home. Yeah, this is like 420, not 320, dumbass.
I mean, the airport might be able to.
Hey, who wants a piece of this fucking goddamn Sunday pie, motherfucker? Who wants a piece?
What if my daughter was on the plane? That's somebody I look like I got a chicken. Look like a girl chicken out.
This is a smoking flight.
Yeah, smoke.
Sure looks like it.
Girl chicken, madam. Come on, Jamaica, forget
Hey, you know where I
some
live? I'll give you my fucking address, nigga.
Come on, boy.
You're a bunch of fucking baddies. That's what you're, a bunch of fucking faggots.
Come on, boy.
Baddies. That's what you're, baddies. Every fucking nigga one of ya.
I don't know how to get a man.
He needs his meds.
Nigga.
Hold on, the police are text along.
Nigga. Fine, nigga. Now, motherfucker.
All right, everyone. We do apologize for the inconvenience, but we have...
Excuse me? I just got punched in the face.
Viewers, like for real now, why this person was acting this way? Why is it that he had to be so disrespectful to persons? I mean, what really happened? You see me? Because this is the thing, you know. Video only show a certain point of what happened with certain things, you know. You understand me? Yeah, unless you have a video that show you the whole thing from the beginning, then we get a better understanding. You see me? But, you know, me I gonna say what really caused for this person to act this way. And even so be the case, I don't think it is right. Some of the things that he had said and done. You understand me? I'm going to say to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, and to everyone out there, see, it's whenever you see someone acting a certain way and them a try to cause a certain scene and so forth, don't put yourself in a problem for them. Do not put yourself in any trouble for them. You understand me? Because you see, at the end of the day, the law come and take care of this person. You know? This person was being very, basically this person caused the flight to couldn't move. You understand? This person caused the airplane it's like they couldn't leave. You understand? Those things is what, you know, airlines are trying to avoid. You know, they don't want to have some people on the plane that are like risk on the airplane. You understand me? You see me? Yeah, then go on the airplane and then go on with a tantrum and then go on with certain things. You see me I say? And then worse, then go do all of them tantrum and them things they while them up in the sky. Remember now, you know, you can't say bus stop in the sky, you know. You can't say, hey, let me officer driver in the sky, you know, and a bus, you know, and a land, you know. You have to wait until you reach the other airport before you can land, you know. So people like that, man, you know, a person like that, man, you see acting that way, it's like a risk, you know what I mean? Some persons on social media call the person who had been arrested by the police racist. Now, viewers and subscribers, and I really, let me say this, you see, I am not going to say that they're right to say so, you see me, and I'm not going to say that they're wrong to say so either. You know, because in my point of view, if persons said that about the person, I think it is because of the things that he had said and done. So who's to be blamed? That's the question I would ask, you understand? Look, viewers and subscribers on a real, it's like, we don't know, there's so many things would I like to say about some things that I saw in this video, but on a real, I'm not gonna really express myself about some of them things there, because you know, some things when me hear the person say, me totally not agree with nothing when me hear that person say. You see me not agree with nothing that I heard that person say. I'm talking about the person who had been arrested by the police, no, viewers and subscribers. You see me? No, I don't agree with nothing that that person said or did. You see? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, here's where I'm gonna leave it, you know. Let me know what you think about the whole thing, you see me? Let me know what you think about the whole thing. And in my point of view, I think that, you know, the airline's decision, or you could say persons who work at the airline, or on the airline, they decided to have this person taken off the plane, you know. I think it was a good move. You understand? And you know, that's a good move. You know, don't fly with persons that can be a problem while you're up there in the sky. You see me? Alright, so let me know what you think about this, viewers and subscribers, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where I watch.